Does your toddler cry the moment you walk away, even for a few seconds? Do they refuse to play alone and constantly demand your attention? What if I told you this clingy behavior might be caused by simple daily mistakes you don't even realize you're making? Today, we'll uncover these hidden mistakes and how to fix them so your child becomes confident, secure, and independent. Hi, parents! If you want to raise a confident and emotionally strong child, this video is for you. Clinginess is not bad behavior, it's a signal. And the way we respond to it can either build independence or increase dependency. Mistake 1. Always being available instantly. When your child calls you, do you rush immediately every single time? It may feel like love, but over time, this teaches your child, I cannot function without my parent. This creates emotional dependency. Fix: start with small pauses. If your child is safe, let them try to solve things on their own. Even 10 to 20 seconds of waiting builds independence. Mistake 2. Not encouraging independent play. If you are always entertaining your child, they never learn how to entertain themselves. This leads to boredom, frustration, and clinginess. Fix: start with short independent play sessions, just 5 to 10 minutes. Give simple toys and let them explore. Don't interrupt, don't guide, just observe. Mistake 3. Overprotecting your child. Do you often say, don't do that, you'll fall, or let me do it for you? Overprotection sends a dangerous message. You are not capable. Fix: allow safe risks. Let them try, fall, and learn. Confidence grows when children realize, I can do this myself. Mistake 4. Sneaking away instead of saying goodbye. Many parents sneak away to avoid tears, but this actually increases anxiety. Your child feels, my parent disappears without warning. Fix: always say a calm, loving goodbye. Even if they cry, it builds trust. Over time, they learn, Mom or Dad always comes back. Mistake 5. Giving attention only when they cry. If your child gets attention only when they cry, they will cry more to get your attention. Fix: give attention when they are calm and playing well. Praise independence. Say, I love how you're playing by yourself. This reinforces positive behavior. Remember, clingy toddlers are not difficult. They are simply seeking security. And when we guide them the right way, they naturally become independent. You don't need to be a perfect parent, just a conscious one. Start with small changes today, and you'll see a big difference in your child's confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting tips. Comment below, which mistake do you think you've been making?